Welcome to my show. My name is Frank McDowell. This episode is a big snowstorm heading for Toronto this Friday, coming up on February 24th. There's a major snowstorm now heading for Toronto. Supposed to be 10 centimeters of snow. Supposed to be really bad roads in Toronto. Roads will be snow covered. Every street will be covered with snow. Even Main Street will be covered with snow. People in Toronto, be prepared. Have your winter boots, jackets, hats, and gloves, and scarves, and ski pants, and shovels ready. Because there will be a lot of snow in Toronto this Friday coming up. Because of that. Power will be out, and will be high winds in Toronto as well. Supposed to be really powerful winds and snow in Toronto this Friday coming up. People in Toronto, be prepared. Supposed to be a lot of snow this Friday coming up in Toronto. And we got another storm heading for Minnesota and Dakotas. Supposed to be a really high winds, really heavy snow for Minnesota and Dakota because of another low pressure system behind. And Toronto is getting a really bad snowstorm this Friday coming up. Power will go out. Visibilities will be reduced. Roads will be really icy. Best of luck to ya.